Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video we will talk about how to block calls from unidentified callers. Before proceeding further, if you are the first on this channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video and also press the bell icon. So let's start. Click on your phone app, then go to three dots, click on settings. Here you can see block list, click on it. There is an option block calls from unidentified callers. Turn it on, and if your mobile has incoming call, it just block the numbers. I hope after watching this video you got some value from this video. If you liked this video, then please subscribe the channel and also like the video.